Hello everyone, welcome back to the tutorial. Last time we left off on the gradient tool. Sorry for that. So if you're using a Mac, I believe it would be Command U for this. We're going to be using the color overlay. And so you'd be, if you're on Windows 10 or Windows, Control U. But you cannot select your gradient layer or else it will not work. So you have to click your original image, Control U. If you don't colorize, it'll make the colors floppy, so you want to colorize. Let's give it a little red look to make it seem really evil looking. Give it like that. If you want to colorize both, that is an option to do. And then we can have a little blue look. Make it a little bit lighter because you need to see both images. You could obviously change the color, the lighting. And then you could change this anytime that you want. So hotkeys Command U and Control U. And thank you for watching and have a good day.